Welcome back to another exciting episode of our programming and invention series. Today, I'm thrilled to showcase my latest creation, a remarkable, portable LED bar that combines craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of building this incredible bar from scratch and demonstrate how it can be controlled using a custom iPhone app. If you enjoyed my previous videos on controlling an LED board with your iPhone, you're going to love this one. So let's dive in and explore the fascinating journey of designing and bringing this project to life. The portable LED bar I've developed serves a dual purpose. It provides a stunning visual experience while ensuring convenience. One of the standout features of this bar is its exceptional portability. It can be easily folded up and moved around, making it ideal for various settings such as parties, events, or even taking it out to your favorite getaway spot. I enjoy taking this out to my cabin to mix a drink or two. The true magic happens when you combine its portability with the custom iPhone app I've built. By leveraging the power of Bluetooth Low Energy, the app seamlessly connects to an Arduino Nano that I've programmed to control the LED lights. This allows users to unlock a world of possibilities, from choosing their preferred LED colors to engaging in interactive games and captivating animations. To get started, simply scan the QR code on the screen to download the app from the App Store. Once installed, you'll have full control over the LED bar's mesmerizing lighting effects. Let's jump into the detailed design process and witness the fusion of craftsmanship and technology that brings this portable LED bar to life. When it came to designing and constructing the portable LED bar, careful planning and attention to detail were crucial. We began by carefully considering the design elements and materials required for this project. One of the key factors was determining the optimal bar height for comfortable seating and serving. To achieve this, we measured various bar heights and decided to align it with the bar stools we already had. This ensures a seamless and comfortable experience for anyone using the bar. To bring our vision to life, we utilized the power of modern design tools. Tinkercad became our go-to platform, allowing us to create scaled models and visualize different aspects of the bar. After experimenting with various styles, we settled on a charming barn-inspired look, which added a touch of rustic appeal. It's worth mentioning that this design choice required additional wood due to intricate detailing, making the bar slightly heavier and more expensive, but the final result was well worth it. With the design finalized, we proceeded to gather the necessary materials. We visited our local supplier to obtain the specific pieces of wood, including clear pine wrapped wood. This type of wood offered numerous advantages, such as being lightweight, stable, and cost-effective. Additionally, we incorporated tongue and groove wood, which allowed for easy assembly and created a beautiful panel-like appearance. Now that we had all the materials ready, it was time to start assembling the bar. We followed our carefully marked measurements and began joining the wood pieces, ensuring a sturdy and reliable structure. One of the standout features of this portable LED bar is its folding mechanism, which enables easy transportation and storage. We paid special attention to this aspect and made sure to demonstrate how it works in detail. We commenced construction by focusing on the front-facing panel, starting with the outer frame and crossbeams. Next, we skillfully integrated tongue and groove panels, sliding them seamlessly into place within the outer structure. Turning our attention to the two foldable side doors, when the doors fold inward, these additional 2x2 pieces help to maintain stability and support for the shelves. After completing the doors, we added trim along the sides and borders of the bar, giving it a sleek and modern professional finish. This detailing adds the perfect touch to finalize the product. We focused on the top of the bar last. Here, we incorporated a board and added a border around it, providing a designated space to embed the LED lights. On top of the board, we placed a layer of Plexiglass, which not only offers a smooth surface for drinks, but also allows the vibrant LED lights to shine through. To secure the Plexiglass, we added a trim around the border, ensuring everything stays in place. I ordered the Plexiglass from Tap Plastics and had outstanding results. To determine the ideal transparency, I initially ordered 3 white samples with different levels of translucency. The first sample had a 10% transparency, allowing limited light to pass through it. The second sample had a 69% transparency, allowing too much light to pass through it. Finally, the third sample had a 45% transparency, which allowed the perfect balance of showcasing the LED colors while concealing the LEDs under the board. After testing the different samples with LED lights, I decided to purchase the Plexiglass with a 45% transparency. This choice provided the optimal combination of hiding the LEDs while still allowing the vibrant LED colors to shine through. The exact measurements of the Plexiglass were as follows. The glass was 45% transparent, the thickness was 1/8 of an inch, the width was 12 7/16 inches, and the length was 78 7/16 inches. This selection ensured that the Plexiglass perfectly complemented the design of the LED bar, enhancing its visual appeal while maintaining the desired functionality. I planned to have the width and height be a perfect 1/2 inch, but that would have been an additional $100 for shipping, which I was totally fine with shaving the board down a hair to save on the price. After completing the wood construction, we shifted our focus to the final touches that would bring out the bar's true character. We chose a darker stain to enhance the natural beauty of the wood, making the intricate detail stand out. The staining process was straightforward. We filled any screw holes with wood filler and used a DeWalt orbital sander to ensure a smooth finish without irregularities. After completing the construction of the bar, we made the decision to incorporate a footrest to enhance the overall comfort and functionality. The footrest is crafted using sturdy iron piping, which we spray painted black to match the aesthetic of the bar. To ensure a perfect fit, we carefully measured the width of the bar and determined the desired height of the footrest. It was essential to consider the height of the bar stools and the bar itself, accommodating both seated and standing positions. With the Plexiglass in hand, I embarked on constructing a precise grid system for the LEDs. Utilizing Tinkercad, I designed an LED grid model, which I later 3D printed using my Ender 3 printer. Each grid unit holds an individual LED, ensuring that when a specific LED lights up, only that corresponding square illuminates. To create the LED layout, I printed 8 5x6 grids, aligning them side by side. Additionally, I printed a smaller piece to accommodate the remaining LEDs, resulting in a total of 300 LED squares arranged in a 50 long and 6 tall configuration. Initially, I experimented with white grids, but I discovered that the white was visible through the Plexiglass. To maintain the surprise element for the guests, I switched to printing the grids in black. Once the grids were in place, I marked the center of each designated grid to guide the cutting and placement of the LEDs. This LED installation process was time-consuming, involving carefully cutting, alignment, and soldering each LED. I pre-tinned the 6 connection points of each LED and cut, stripped, and pre-tinned a total of 900 wires for the wiring process. To ensure accuracy, I frequently tested the LEDs with a multimeter, verifying that none of the wires were touching. After confirming the integrity of each section, I often powered on the LEDs to ensure they functioned as expected. Finally, I secured the wires in place using hot glue. To enhance the functionality and aesthetic of the bar, I 3D printed a control box to house the switches, HM10 board, and Arduino. This simple addition added a great touch to the overall design. Another 3D printed piece was a bracket to hold the power supply box, which I purchased from Amazon. I discreetly attached the brackets beneath the bottom shelf, effectively concealing the power supply. The power supply itself is a 5-volt 40-amp unit, providing a total power capacity of 200 watts. This ensures ample power to drive all of the LEDs at full brightness, including when displaying white. Let's dive into the electrical aspects of this project. Here is a comprehensive wiring diagram that showcases how the LEDs are strategically arranged in a zigzag pattern. To counteract voltage drop, every 2 rows receives fresh power from the power supply. Additionally, I connected the HM10 module to the Arduino using standard connections, but included a switch between the Arduino's read pin and the HM10's write pin. This switch ensures that when the Arduino is powered on, the connection is temporarily disabled, allowing us to upload new code as needed. Moving on to the software side, The code for this project is designed to leverage external files that separate functions and games from the main code. Let's summarize the code's functionality. It reads a string sent from the phone, such as the one on the screen. This string contains information about the LED width, height, LED position, color, mode, and any additional details. By parsing this string, I can determine the specific action that needs to be performed on the Arduino, whether it involves changing colors, animations, or engaging in a game. To accomplish this, I rely on the popular Fast LED library, which provides extensive capabilities for controlling LED colors and animations. With this library, I can adjust LED speeds, positionings, animation types, and sizes, allowing me to simulate a multi-threaded environment and run multiple animations simultaneously on different LED strips. This flexibility will prove invaluable as I plan to expand the project by adding more LED strips in other areas of the bar. For the iOS app, the default screen features the main wheel. Here, users can press the connect button to access a list of available Bluetooth low energy devices. This is where we can select our Arduino to establish a connection. Additionally, you'll notice the color wheel and brightness slider, which allows precise control over the LED colors. For convenience, there's also a button to clear the LEDs and to turn them off. On each screen, you'll find a white box at the bottom, which represents the information sent to the Arduino for parsing. At the top, we have the option to choose which LED strip we want to control. This functionality proves useful when multiple LED strips are present on the bar. If you're interested, I encourage you to check out my other LED video where I built LED strips for my car, enabling separate control for inside and outside strips, resulting in a stunning and captivating animations on my car. Next, we have the Draw tab. Here, users can select the width and height of the LED strips. In our case, the bar features a width of 50 LEDs and a height of 6 LEDs. Users can choose a color and adjust the brightness, tapping on specific squares to illuminate them. To expedite the drawing process, I've added a quick draw button. The first button allows coloring of all LEDs currently on the screen with a single swipe, eliminating the need to touch each individual LED. The horizontal and vertical fill buttons fill entire rows or columns respectively, making it convenient to color large sections of the LED board at once. Finally, we have a paint button to fill the entire board. The erase button turns off each individual LEDs, and the clear button to reset all of the LEDs. In the Animations tab, users can select animation speed as well as the width and height of the LEDs. The tab offers different categories of pre-built animations, including various rainbows, flashing, and fading party modes. It also offers animations such as snake, juggle, and erase. Customization options are also available, allowing users to create their own animations. Users can choose fading or gradient colors and add or delete colors as desired. The flexibility of this feature empowers users to unleash their creativity. The game section is still under development, but my plan is to incorporate different games such as a scrolling marquee program similar to the Java app I built, drinking games like beer pong, a cyclone game inspired by an Arduino project I previously worked on, Battleship, or even a progress bar to indicate the completion of a drink being prepared. For instance, the progress bar could gradually fade from left to right, representing the speed at which the drink is being made for the customer. Lastly, the Settings tab allows the user to modify 5 different LED strips that you want to control. They can assign names to the LED strips for easy identification and adjust the length of each LED strip. Furthermore, selecting the last strip for the control enables synchronization of all 5 LED strips, allowing for uniform colors or animations across the entire strip. What started as a simple idea has evolved into something truly extraordinary, a portable LED bar that combines creativity, craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology. Throughout this journey, we have witnessed the fusion of design and construction, as we meticulously planned, measured, and assembled each element of the bar. The careful selection of materials, the folding mechanism, and the sleek finish all contribute to its functionality, portability, and aesthetic appeal. As we come to the end, I want to express my gratitude for your support on this video. It has been an incredible journey, and I'm thrilled to share this process of creating this remarkable portable LED bar with you. I hope that the design, construction, and technological integration showcased in this video have sparked innovation within you. Whether you're looking to elevate your home entertainment, leave a lasting impression on your guests, or simply reveal the artistry of electrical inventions, this portable LED bar is ready to illuminate your world. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey of building a portable LED bar. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave any comments or suggestions down below. Let me know which games you think would be awesome to have in this bar. And if you're interested or have any ideas, feel free to share what drinks I should start making too. Your input is highly appreciated. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll catch you in the next video.